Eating strawberries every day can have several positive effects on your body due to the nutritional content of these delicious fruits. Here are some of the potential benefits and changes that may occur when you incorporate strawberries into your daily diet. Nutrient intake. Strawberries are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamin C, fiber, folate, potassium, and various antioxidants. Consuming them daily can contribute to meeting your daily nutritional requirements. Antioxidant protection. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and quercetin, which help combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. This can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The potassium and fiber in strawberries may support heart health by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Improved digestion. The dietary fiber in strawberries aids in digestion and can help prevent constipation. Regular consumption may promote a healthy digestive system. Weight management. Strawberries are relatively low in calories and high in fiber. Eating them as part of a balanced diet may help with weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Skin health. The high vitamin C content in strawberries is beneficial for skin health. It supports collagen production, which can help maintain skin's elasticity and reduce signs of aging. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in strawberries may have anti-cancer properties. Regular consumption might help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Blood sugar control. Strawberries have a relatively low glycemic index and can be part of a diet to help manage blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes. Eye health. The antioxidants in strawberries, particularly vitamin C, may help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Improved immune function. The vitamin C content in strawberries can boost your immune system, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. Mood and mental health. Some research suggests that consuming fruits like strawberries may have a positive impact on mood and mental health due to their antioxidant and nutrient content. Hydration. Strawberries have a high water content, which can contribute to your daily hydration needs. Staying adequately hydrated is important for various bodily functions. Improved hair and nail health. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in strawberries can also promote healthy hair and nails. They aid in collagen production, which is essential for strong and vibrant hair and nails. Dental health. While strawberries are sweet, they are also a good source of vitamin C, which can help maintain gum health and prevent gum disease. However, their natural sugars can also contribute to tooth decay, so it's important to practice good oral hygiene. Potential allergies. Some people may be allergic to strawberries, so it's essential to be aware of any adverse reactions if you decide to eat them daily. Allergic symptoms can range from mild hives to severe anaphylaxis in rare cases. Pesticide residues. When consuming strawberries regularly, it's advisable to opt for organic or properly washed strawberries to reduce exposure to pesticide residues.